I apologize, emissary, but the prince is away on an errand. What brings you to this desolate place?
By royal edict, you men are to return to Lord Aran immediately. Lord Uther has convinced the king to recall this expedition.
We're to just pick up and leave?
That's correct. My men report that the roads from here to the shore are held by the undead. You'll need to find an alternate route back to your ships.
To hell with the undead. We'll cut our way through the woods, men.
Captain, why are the guards not at their posts?
Well, my lord, your father had our troops recalled at Lord Uther's request.
Uther had my troops recalled? Damn it! If my warriors abandon me, I'll never defeat Mal'Ganis. The ships must be burned before the men reach the shore.
Isn't that a bit much, lad?
Burned down to their frames. No one goes home until our job here is done. The light is my strength. Certainly. We'll need more men to fight our way through the undead.
I've come across a few mercenary camps up here. Perhaps we can hire a few of them. That's more like it.
I'm here to help.
I'm ready and waiting.
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
You're kinda slow for a human, aren't you? Let's get moving.
I stand for the light.
Show us a target.
Is there danger?
What's happening?
I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting. Let's get
The
moving.
light is my strength.
I'm ready and waiting.
Of course.
What's happening?
Justice shall be
You're
done.
kinda slow for a human,
A
aren't
sound
you?
plan. For honor. Certainly. Damn Uther for forcing me to do this.
I kill for you. I kill for you.
It's
I kill for you.
I stand for the light. A sound plan. Of course.
Where do you want us?
Is there danger? For honor. You are past redemption.
Let's get moving.
Justice shall be done.
Show us a target.
I stand for the light.
I'm ready and waiting.
Show us a target.
The light is my strength.
What's your...
I'm here to help. A sound plan. Is there danger?
What's happening?
The light is my strength. Certainly. Is there danger?
Bring it on.
Forces are under attack.
Stay cool.
Justice shall be done. For honor.
Where do you want us?
I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting.
I stand for the light. I'm here to help. Of course. For honor. Very good. But there are still more ships to deal with. A sound plan. Of course.
What's happening?
I stand for the light. Certainly. The light is my
I'm
strength.
ready and waiting.
Is there danger? Certainly. Of course.
Let's get to fighting.
Come on, Sharky.
On our way.
Justice shall be done.
You're kind of slow for a human, aren't you?
Justice shall be done. For honor.
Let's get moving.
The light is my strength.
Show us a target.
Is there danger? I stand for the light. I'm here to help. A sound plan.
Let's get moving.
I'm here to help.
Where do you want us?
Justice shall be done. Is there danger?
Hello! You're kind of slow
The
for a
light is my
human, aren't you?
strength.
I kill for you.
I stand for the light.
Okay.
Is there danger? I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting.
Justice shall be done. The light is my strength. I stand for the light. The light is my strength.
Let's get moving. Let's get
Justice
it on.
shall be done. Is there
You're
danger?
kind of slow for a human, aren't you? Let's do this.
I stand for the light. I'm here to help.
Hello. We'll do it in a jiffy.
I'm
The
ready and
light
waiting.
is my strength. Is there danger? Certainly. I stand for the light. Of course.
What you want? Where do you want us?
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. Is there danger? For honor.
What's happening?
It's clobbering time. Get on with it.
The light is
You're
my
kind of
strength.
slow for a human, aren't you?
A sound plan.
Let's get to fighting.
Let's get moving.
Justice shall be done.
I'm ready and waiting.
I stand for the light. I'm here to help. I'm here to help. The light is my strength. Justice shall be done. Is there danger?
Where do you
I
want
stand
us?
for the light. Of course. I stand for the light. A sound plan.
What's happening?
I'm here to help.
I'm ready and waiting.
The light is my strength. For honor. Certainly. For honor.
What's happening?
Justice shall be done. Well done. Only one ship remains. Of course. Is there danger?
Hello! You're kind of slow for a human,
Show
aren't
us
you?
a target.
Justice shall be done.
Where do you want us?
The light is my strength.
Show us a target.
I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting.
Where do you want us?
Show us a target.
Is there danger? Certainly.
Let's get moving.
I stand for the light. The light is my strength. A sound plan.
You're kind of slow for a human,
honor.
aren't you?
A sound plan. Justice has come.
What's happening?
Justice shall be done.
Let's get to fighting.
I'm ready and waiting.
I stand for the light.
Hello.
Of course.
Hello.
I'm here to help.
Bring it on.
Is there danger?
Let's get moving.
I stand for the light.
Show us a target.
Is there danger? fight is my strength. For my father, the king. I'm here to help. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. Feel my wrath.
I'm ready and waiting.
Prince Arthas.
Quickly, my warriors! These murderous creatures have burned our ships and robbed you of your way home. Slay them all in the name of Lord Aran.
Damn beasts!
Kill them all!
Our ships are ruined. What will we do now?
Listen to me, all of you. There is no way home for any of us save through victory. In this land, we will stand or fall together. Now, return to the base and man your posts.